In this video, we are going to see the horizontal lookup. So I have a cricket player's name here and the salary here, and I want to bring the bonuses. So I have created one horizontal file. So here I have the details in a horizontal way. Okay, so this is vertical way where you have all the details. So in earlier video we have seen vertical lookup. Now in this video we will see the horizontal lookup. So we have the details in the horizontal way. So what we have to do is, so here we'll put HLookup, open the bracket, select the player where we want, and put the comma and go to the sheet, horizontal sheet, and select column or a row 1 and 2. So this is basically I'm selecting row 8 and 9, but it will be my first row and this will be my second row. After that, because if we are doing the values, bringing the values from the same sheet, so you have to put F4 here. So when you put the F4, it will bring the dollar signs here. Before it was not there. If you are doing it from a separate workbooks, then the dollar signs are not needed. Then put a comma, put 2, comma, 0, and close the bracket. So it will bring the values like this. So wherever you see NA, it means that there is no values like Shaker the one. So if I go to horizontal lookup and if I try to find the name, so we will not see the Shaker the one's name here. So this is how the horizontal lookup has to be done. Thank you.